And this is a pair I keep just for looks, but the cockbird actually is quite good in the air. So he is kind of a backup in case I have one bird problem kind of thing. Love this pair for color, and the yellow hen, she does like to fly, but she doesn't do much as far as performance. She just likes to fly. And the red cockbird, he's just really lazy, but he's so good looking. I have bred birds off these for friends if they just want something for color. I did take one pair of youngsters off this pair this year, just because I just got these back from a friend of mine that went out of Orientals, and he'd give me a set of youngsters off these before, and they actually were pretty good. So I thought I'll try one pair and see how they do. If nothing else, he's really a good, I think, showbird, the cockbird. And this Czech hen almost made the stock loft and basically is just a backup in case I need her. And the white cockbird is the only pure white cockbird I've ever been able to breed in the last 6 years. So I just keep him, and actually I've got a couple of his youngsters that I'm still flying, but will never make it to the breeding loft. They do a bit of performance, but nothing major. But this Czech hen is quite good.